There are some things we really ought to change. Together, we must reduce our impact on the climate. As the owner of 10 of Sweden's largest airports, that's something we take rather seriously. The aviation industry's fossil fuel-based CO2 emissions account for only 2% of all global emissions. Here at Swedavia, we've done more than any other airport operator in our goal of achieving climate-smart airports. But it doesn't stop there. The aviation industry must play their part too, which leads us to the next step. If we are to achieve our goal of halving all fossil CO2 emissions in the aviation industry by 2050 and making Swedish domestic air services fossil-free by 2030, we must switch from fossil fuels to sustainable biofuels. Biofuels are made from renewable raw materials, a resource Sweden is rich in. However, biofuels are in short supply, and so by definition, expensive. We want to change that. As the first company in the world, we're buying biofuel for all our business travel. Leading by example will show politicians and the market that the demand exists. And when more operators come on board, large-scale production can really get underway. By all means in Sweden, which will help push prices down. Together, we can turn domestic air travel into a completely fossil fuel-free enterprise by 2030. Every business flight our employees take will see us paying out to ensure that the airline uses biofuel, and we'll make sure that our airports offer renewable fuel refueling facilities. Just as with green electricity, you pay for the biofuel that's used, even if it's not necessarily used on your particular flight. The fuel will be filling the aircraft's tanks and our imagination. You and your company, or in your capacity as a private person, can also buy biofuel for your travel. For example, with Swish.